another beautiful day. Yeah, well, another we're spotting. We're here at Denny's with Uncle Noor. Uncle Noor, how about you? Did you get?
Let me get your coffee, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Creamer and liquid sugar. Okay, I'll be back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry, Tristan. We're back at your spot. Yeah, Tristan, favorite. And sorry, Marshall. Yeah, Elston is laughing at you. Okay. We're gonna order.
You see, Papa.
Kurasa apa? Son mo kan mo apa? Kismas kan mo sikan pa na. Son mo no.
Yeah.
Sama-sama na.
Macam mo.
Hindi siya kinasakan. Enjoy area. Hindi po kita. Ang nalong depan beauty ako. Yampon.
Enjoy. Later on na steak.
Burger steak rice with soy sauce.
Sawo.
Sama. Order ni sapi.
Kau tengah pick up piligyan. Oh, you gonna finish your food?
Spam pala.
Now that's the real food right there.
Kan mo spam.
Spam. All that good. Alright.
You want spam?
Be faithful.
Sugar.
Yeah, liquid soap, raw liquid sugar.
Half milk.
Nabi sugar.
Okay.
This is what I'm after. Portuguese sausage. Oh, puro. So different from any other Denny's in the States. How's your phone? See, Justin likes it. He's finishing his food. We're gonna eat after Matt. That's just how good it is. Look, he's still working on his.
Sa mata po na i-enjoy. Enjoy.
All done.
Here. Put finish it.
Huh? Alright, off to the next one. Get the change. Oh. Off to the next one.
Ina kana minafa isemore. Prep. Daddy. Chamorro Felix.
Kaya ko sugar. Puta si Poli. Buat di sa apa seta si turn left.
Turn left maka.
Listen. There's basketball court. After tomorrow, we'll find the court. We'll play. So we're gonna make our main line versus Guam. Me, you, Marcel, Bernie. Me, you, Marcel, Bernie. Max Beer. Okay. Versus all the boys from Guam. Dirk, Rafa, Traven. Neighbor seuraski jaetusi.
Denny?
Ras, lana shopping center kay. Asura Bayless.
Sabu-sabu procrat. Narabi check sabu-sabu procrat. We're gonna go visit Tristan and Traven. Very sunny today. Let me see.
Leave me alone.
Wow. You're handsome, just like Tristan. Hi, baby.
Mommy. It's like mommy?
Yeah, you look like a grandpa already.
No,
Huh?
I'm still young.
Huh?
Just combine it in your room so they don't look.
Kom maar een keer. Ik laat hem.
What the dude?
Traven? 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 Hey, Traven. Come.
Put it in your
Say hi.
somewhere where you
So you have to say something like to your friends and come on.
I don't know.
Hey, come here. Traven, look. See, I like how you look like right now. You put on some muscles and some weight. You look really good, huh? Because it makes you look very cute. A cute baby.
So you're with the boys? You're with
Let me check off with the Lord there. Let me with the Lord. Lord is going to go buy his rice that costs you less. Lord is taking the lead. Ito, kami tori backpack here, sfera po. Kusore. See, this place is just like mainland. Oh, kiki rice. How much is rice here?
20.
36?
36.
Oh, 36. Not bad for Guam. $36. Ako tengah sa Guam, Reperni. Perni. one case of chicken, $80. $80 for a case of chicken and $37 for a sack of rice. It's not too far off from the $28 in mainland. And we are back out. In and out. Quick and fast. Sarap sa Bernie, puer favori rapo city. Yes, ako por favor.
Ipo. Sekalion. Dito pa po. 78.
Alright, we'll see you guys. Okay. Now we're gonna go to Fish and Kon. Fish and Kon. Ane.
Welcome to Fish N Kon.
Oh,
Grabe ka rin mo. Advertise you on YouTube. Kami.
Oh, she's the owner. Gemma, she just came from the state. Gemma. Come.
You guys need to come at the beginning of the
Yes.
oh really?
Oh wait, Mutis?
No, that's my uncle.
That's my mom's cousin.
Hello. I know
Hi.
Uncle Chen, but I haven't met you in person.
I came last time.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
Oh,
last year.
Last year? Then who did you talk to? My sister?
I
or-
think it was your sister.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
why you come when the store is so empty?
No, but this is good though.
So you have some ikesan, some tuna. Oh my gosh, I'll just let you do it.
All right.
I'm not gonna-
Okay.
Yung Fish N Kon sa Tori. First time actually sa amin Tori sa ferry Guam sa Karantorong. Hey! Rapusuk mi. Ha? Ito yung iyap. Kikikon. Ang sala. Fish N Kon. Fish N Kon. Yeah. Diba? Perisol. Iya, fitishu eh. Hah? Okay, okay, fitishu. Oh. Oi. Meyi. Abishak. Bawak na mas milk tea, kiki. Melang kuam. Pati ito po. Angay smart sampatak. Sekian. Ito po, no? Ito mo. Ito, may kikiyang harap. Misyak. Mira niya, ikiyay kasuk. Here? Yeah, misyak fresh. Totoo lang, kung may taytan rar, bigyan siya kataw. May kay. Insyak? Yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah. So, saya pa rin upek. Wato. Walang. Mina dilihat makan ni. Ikan ay. Last night. Hey.
Man, is this already mixed or we have to do it? Oh, okay, okay.
Tapos ito, so, lupa ka lang naman doon. Får vi till Philly? Ja, det är. Jangan nak.
Iya.
Apa tahu?
Agak rapper, si buka tu.
Tuh.
Di proses ke?
Ah.
Do you have a bigger trash bag or no? Or these are the only bags we have? Or is it double? You don't sell the live here, do you? Like the homemade kind? No? No? Oh. So we're out of the dime here? Huh? Or just sold out? Oh, really?
Ya, saya rompelas.
Okay, okay. Gracias. Okay.
Ya, macam.
Alright.
Apa TV mana kan? Pakai
Okay, one more. Yes, please. My uncle knew you guys were here, the owner of the store. If he knew you guys were here, he would let me give you guys a discount on. Oh. So what's the difference? It's 60, 74. Do you wanna say something to the video? Advertise it so you can put them on YouTube. Maybe we'll Or you should be saying something too. Yeah, I think you should come here too. All right, so you just say the name of this place, where it's at, and then we can. Yeah.
So,
Please.
what's up, everybody? My name is AJ. Here we're at the Fish N Kon Mart in Mangilao. Hope you guys stop by. We always have ready cooked food every day and also fresh fish. Come by to Fish N Kon Mart.
Okay.
Hey!
Thank you very much.
Here you go.
All right.
Okay, once again, this is Fish N Kon. If you happen to be in Guam, come check this place out, Fish N Kon. Thank you.
This bab katumid. Kawat mo so.
Lain, kita kan laitong.
At, isa pa dito rin eh. Oh, Lord, kau cuma.
Yey, rawar ime inashe sangonei. Pasen sangai mirike. Sangai micro ina shan. Coffee to coffee. Sangai micro. Sangai mirika. Bisa para faltaur. Ya isyak pansi mo tamang.
Pinakamot siya eh.
Oh. Pina. Pansi mo embango po ya pos. Salay. Yung rapo ka lang, rapo ka lang doon.
Hey, I want that fish! I want one! Hey, frog! Frog! I like this one!
Era con pipa. Era con pipi.
Ese será sopa. Where'd you go? Kita yung pandirect for go. Thank you so much.
Abu, Kisok.
Hi, Francis. Welcome.